Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you one simple step that Linx used to grow 1.5 times faster than other agencies. It's literally just a single step that when implemented correctly can literally set you miles apart from the competition. Let's get right into it. Also, sorry, before we get going, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Chelsea, the new guru here at Linx for all things YouTube videos. I am super excited to be here and really looking forward to putting out tons of amazing content just for you. And if you're excited to see more of me around here, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment below, and definitely subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future videos from me. So, Shash will tell you, the reason why Linx grew 1.5 times faster than any of his friends' agencies is because he selected the right niche. A lot of his friends decided to pursue Facebook ad agencies and immediately were met with an uphill battle as they are super saturated and ultra competitive. Whereas Shash decided to pursue a YouTube ads agency, and relatively speaking, it is far less competitive and basically just a great big blue ocean of opportunity. The key here is to pursue less competitive niches. So let's run through 3 different scenarios here to help minimize competition and to set yourself up for success. So between your offer and your niche, you're going to want at least one of them to be something new and different. So for example, you could have a new niche with an existing offer, or you could be in an existing niche with a new offer. And then the third scenario, and the best one, is to have a new offer in a new niche. The next thing to consider, now that you have your niche in mind, is to really investigate how competitive this niche really is. Here are a few ways that you can help determine this. So first, start by going through your competitors' funnels. You know, snoop around, go for a little internet creep. And you're doing this to find out if there really are top tier marketers in your niche. If you discover that their funnels and their marketing is overall weak, this could be really great news for you. As a rule of thumb, generally any niche that makes money online is automatically going to be more competitive. So this doesn't mean that you can't pursue it, but what this does mean is that you need to be extra sure that you're really adding that unique and different twist to whatever offer it is that you're bringing to the table. Now, I've put together a quick little checklist of 4 items to really determine how competitive your niche is. So 1, you rarely see YouTube ads for offers in that niche. 2, from your internet creeping, you determine that the marketing funnels are pretty weak and that there are mostly amateurs in that niche. 3, you notice that the competition in that niche is generally not following internet marketing best practices. And 4th, the final clue is that there are no mass market products for any offers in that niche. So yeah, these are a couple of good signs to look for. But at the end of the day, whether there is no, little, or a lot of competition in your niche, the thing that is absolutely crucial is that you are delivering an offer that is fresh and unique. So you can brainstorm up a brand new mechanism, or you can just find an angle that nobody else is doing. All that matters is that you take it and you put your own spin on it. And best case scenario is that you're in a completely new niche and you can definitely play this up in a big way. Remind people that there is absolutely nobody else doing anything like this. Once you've determined how much competition there is in your niche, you should have a pretty good idea of how much work it's really going to require for you to differentiate yourself. But no matter what, you're going to be looking to set yourself as far apart from the competition as possible. So here are 2 other tools to consider playing with to help move you further apart. 1 is unique clients and 2 is geography. Number 1 is unique clients. So cookie cutter clients in super competitive niches will almost always yield weak results. Instead, at Linx, we look for really unique clients with unique offers so that we can get them really great results. Be extremely selective. Wait for the winners to come along, and then all you need to do is add your skill set, and then you can help scale them right up. And then number 2 is geography. So you can take an offer that's very popular in one geography, for example, the US, and then simply just apply it into another geography where it's less competitive, for example, Brazil. And tip, being multilingual definitely does come in handy to help identify and fully take advantage of any opportunities like this. So now, after hearing all of this information, what do you think are some of the best niches to go after right now? Leave them in the comments below so that we can all brainstorm together. And there you have it, one simple way to set yourself apart from the competition and to help set yourself up for success. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And with that said, I will see you in the next one. Bye!